I've been in over 20 some years of corporate meetings, worked with vendors for all kinds of reasons for all different things. I have never participated in a project call like that where it was so well organized and structured. So there was no room for missed dates or any types of major stumbles. So then it came around the day for the install. So I made myself available to be here. And when the team showed up, if I recall, they were here for, I think, 2 days. Had everything with them. It was amazing. They had to pull wires, they had to drill holes, they had to do a lot of different things, climbing up in the ceilings, did all types of things. Pulled that off in about a day and a half. You couldn't find a speck of sheetrock dust anywhere when they were done. And then they gave us a tutorial on how to operate it and run it. So when we experienced that, and I was talking to our IT expert and we were going through that, we had a great feeling right out of the beginning, knowing that if this is the experience before we even hit record, we felt really, really good about it.